Imagine pulling a laptop out of your bag that doesn't just push the boundaries of modern computing, but completely breaks the laws of physical hardware design. For the last several years, the premium laptop market has felt incredibly repetitive. We watched as every major manufacturer fell into the exact same predictable rhythm: a slightly brighter screen, a chassis that dropped a fraction of a millimeter in thickness, and a routine processor upgrade that promised minor efficiency bumps. The entire tech industry got comfortable, and consumers got bored. We accepted the fact that buying a new laptop meant making the exact same compromises between extreme performance, silent cooling, and actual multi-day battery life. But right now, completely behind closed doors, Apple is executing a high-stakes architectural shift that is about to shock the entire tech landscape. The introduction of the MacBook Neo represents the single most radical reinvention of the portable computer since the original shift to Apple Silicon. This isn't just a new model in the lineup. It is a total line in the sand that renders the existing Air and Pro divisions completely obsolete. If you're planning on buying any laptop, workstation, or portable computer anytime soon, you need to freeze exactly where you are. The astonishing details leaking out of the global supply chain reveal that Apple has engineered a device so advanced, it makes every current computer look like an ancient relic. Think about it. The ultimate dream for any mobile professional, creator, or student has always been to have a machine that offers the absolute featherlight portability of a tablet with the brutal, uncompromised power of a heavy-duty desktop workstation. Historically, that was a physical impossibility. If you wanted raw power to render massive files or compile heavy code, you needed massive fans, thick heat pipes, and a power brick that weighed down your bag. Apple has completely shattered this boundary by introducing a revolutionary solid-state cooling architecture. By discarding traditional mechanical spinning fans entirely, they have engineered an ultra-slim, silent chassis that manages heat on a microscopic level. The internal thermal management utilizes microcavity structures that dissipate heat flawlessly under sustained, heavy workloads without making a single whisper of noise. But this impossible form factor is only the wrapper for the real revolution happening deep inside the machine. Powering this futuristic chassis is the brand new M-Series Neo Silicon, built on an unprecedented sub-2 nanometer node process. This architecture doesn't just boast faster clock speeds, it completely reorganizes how data moves across the system. By stacking high-bandwidth unified memory directly on top of the processing cores in a three-dimensional layout, data latency has dropped to absolute zero. To put that into perspective, this featherlight laptop handles complex, massive datasets, real-time three-dimensional rendering, and heavy multi-stream workflows with a fraction of the energy consumption of a traditional desktop. The graphic processing unit introduces dynamic spatial caching and hardware-accelerated ray tracing that renders digital environments with terrifying realism, bridging the gap between extreme gaming rigs and ultra-portable productivity. This massive leap in silicon efficiency directly answers the single most critical pain point of modern mobile computing: battery longevity. For years, laptop manufacturers have claimed all-day battery life, only for the machine to die the moment you open a few heavy applications or boost the screen brightness. Through the sheer efficiency of the Neo chip and a completely overhauled battery chemistry,